Now we are going to start Venn diagram. Venn. Venn diagram. Venn diagrams. Rectangle we use for mu, biggest sets. Circles for small sets. This is A. This is B. Okay. A set A. Set A we are writing as 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can write this set as this is our A, this is B. Venn diagram, circles are we using 1, 2, 3. Common part are there, common elements we have to write in this place 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the complete set. Yes, see this part represent 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a A. B is what? 3, 4 already is there in common part. B start from here to there. So we have to write 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4 is a common for both. So like this we can write the sets in builder form. Shaded region is there. Suppose I am writing these two sets. This is A, this is B. Union means what? Union will be all shaded part of A and B. This is a complete. This is called A union B. Union means what? Union means we have to mix the two set elements in a one set. So if you write in a set form, A union B is nothing but set A elements you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 union set B element 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 8 up to 8 is there. Now union means what? We have to write all elements without repeating the repeated numbers or elements. 1 is there, so we have to write 2 is there, yes, 3 is there, 4 is there, 3 2 times there, but we have to take 1 time. 4 also common, we have to write only 1 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, all elements of A and B included common 1, but we have to write only 1 time, not repeat that numbers, not 3, 3, not 4, 4. Just once we have to write all numbers. Again we can write intersection. Suppose the intersection is there 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection, this sign is intersection, means common we have to take 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What you have to do here? Just we have to pick the common one. 1 is not there, 2 is not there, 3 both have 3, so we have to take 3. 4, yes, no other elements is there in A and B which are common to both, only these two. So these two are called 3, 4 is A, belongs to set of intersection A intersection B. A intersection B is a set having common elements of A and B. Union is a set where common, non-common, all elements of A and B, but not repeat the common one. We have to take once we have to write that elements in A. So these are A union B, A intersection B. A union B with the shaded region is like this. Means again I can write one more example I will give. Suppose A is a set is there 2, 3, 5, 6. B is a set is there 6, 7, 8, 9. Now with the Venn diagram you have to show A union B. So what you have to do? You have to write all elements of A and B in a all in this one, or shade this one. We will shade after that. Okay. First we have to write the elements. 2 is there, yes, not common. 3 is there, yes, 5 is there. 6 common is there, so we have to write in common part. 7, 8, 9. So if we shade like this, This shaded region is called A union B. Means all A union B is all shaded region, this region. And the elements are what? Again we have to write 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the elements. And A intersection B means only common one. Where is that number? Only 6. Okay? Only 6 is there in common. So we have to write this portion where 6 is there. This is A and this is B. Common one is what? 2, 3 is there, 5 is there, 7, 8, 9 is there, but we have to take this one. A intersection B is equals to only this common part, shaded region. This shaded region gives, so this is nothing but 6. Okay. Now come to the know about A minus B. A minus B. These all are operations. A means what you have to write here. You know all that set is there. 2, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, 7 also take. Minus B is a set. We are taking 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose A is this set, B is set. Now we are getting minus. Minus means what? We have to consider only A and pick one element from A, check that if it is in a B, so subtract that. If it is not there, the number is saved, so we have to write in this set of difference. Set of difference. 2 is there. 2 is there. This is 3. Okay. 2 not there, so it is saved. We saved 2, so we have to write in set of A minus. 3, 3 gone, so there is no need to write. 5 is also gone. Okay. What we have? 6. 6 is there? No. Saved. 7 is there? Yes, 7 gone. So no element is there in A. So this is our A minus B. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are there in A, but 3 elements are gone. 3, 5, 7 are gone. Why? Because these 3 elements are in B. There is no need to write the elements common elements in this one. Only we have to write A elements which are not there in B. Like that we can write. Suppose B minus A. B minus A means first we have to write B set. 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus A. A is what? A is nothing but 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now subtract this. 3 is there. First element we have to pick and check that. Yes, we have 3, A also 3. So B minus A gone, 3 gone. 5 is gone. 7 is gone. What left? 8 not there in B, that's why it's saved. 9 minus 9 is not there, saved. 10 not there, saved. So like that we will have 8, 9, 10 as elements of B minus A. 2, 6 elements of this. We know that A minus B is always not equal to B minus A. Remember that. This is also a bit. Okay. This is also a bit. In a minus B is equal to B minus A. Which one of the following is true? It may come in your exams. Then you have to say that A minus B is not equal to B minus is true. Some bits are there. The correct bit I am giving. A union B is equal to B union A. This is correct bit. Whenever A union B is equal to dash means you can select B union A. Interchanging sets, you will get same answer. A intersection B is B intersection A again. So this also a true. Third one, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Equal is given, that is wrong. Not equal is given, then it's correct. So this is the 3 bits. You have to see this also. One more very important bit you have to see, that is A triangle B. A triangle B. This one is not a direct. This one is not a direct method. You have to find this using these operations. What is that? A union B. First you have to find A union B, second A minus A intersection B, then subtract this. A union B minus A intersection B gives what? A delta B. A delta B. A delta B. Second one, or otherwise you can find this one method. Another one, A minus B you have to take. Union of B minus A, you have to take this also. Then also you can say that A delta B. So you will get a direct bit also. A delta B is equal to dash. If you get this, you have to take this. This is your answer. If you A delta B equal to what? If you have a bit like this, A minus B union B minus A, then this is also your answer. So this has two answers. One time difference of union and intersection, and another time difference of alternate with union. Differences of alternate A minus B, B minus A with union. So A delta B can be found with these two methods. Now we are going to find A delta B using sets elements. Suppose A have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. B have 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, these elements. Okay. Now we are going to find A union B. What is A union B? A union B means all elements we have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is our elements. Okay. Now A intersection B we have to find. A intersection B is what? Common elements of this. 1 not there. 2 not there. 3 yes 3. So 3 we can take. 4 yes 4 we can take. 5 not there. So there is no need to check again. 6 here, 6 not there, 7 here, they are not there. Why? Because we follow one rule. From one side we are going to check whether this. So we got this not there, this not there, this there, this one not there. No elements is there. So only these two. Now A delta B is nothing but A union B set minus A intersection B set. A union is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here 3, 4. Now subtract that. 1 saved, 2 saved, not there in B, that's why saved. 3 gone, 4 gone, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 saved. So this is our A delta B. A delta B. Now we can find another way. Now we are going to find A minus B. Second method we are following. A is what? Same element we have to take 1 to 5. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus B. B is what? 3, 4, 6 to 9 continue. 3, 4. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to continue it. Now subtract this. What you will get? 1 saved, 2 saved, 3 gone, 4 gone, 5 saved. So this is our A minus B. Now B minus A. B what? 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus A. A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we have to write here? 3 gone, 4 gone, 6 saved, 7 saved, not gone, 8 saved, 9 saved. So A delta B is what? A minus B union we have to take B minus A. So right here set A minus B, that is 1, 2, 5. Again union we have to take with B minus 6, 7, 8, 9. So check the answer. It's nothing but union means all we have to write 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is A delta B. Previously we got A delta B as here, see here 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again here also, again here we also 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A delta B is nothing but union A union B or difference with B intersection, its intersection, or A delta B is A minus B union B minus A. So this is correct. Now intersection is also over. This delta is over. What you will left? Venn diagram to C minus. So this is there A, this is B. Suppose I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So A minus B from Venn diagram is what? This part only, the shaded part. So just 1, 2, 3. B minus A is what? This shaded part. Okay, 6, 7, 8. Delta means what? A delta B means what? We have to take all this, union of all this. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. For this set, see this question, not the above one. Above one is different. We are taking this A as B. So this is our A delta B. From Venn diagram also we can get shortly this one. Okay. Now A minus B, B minus A is over, union is over, mu complements. Complement is what? Mu is a biggest set. Suppose 1, 2, 3, up to 10 numbers are there. And A is we are taking sets as 1, 2, 5, 3, 4. B as a set as 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8. C as a set as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Like that. Suppose I want to find A complement, A dash or A complement. This is representation. Okay. Complement C we have to write on a power, small c. B complement these are B dash. So formula is there. For getting a complement, what we have to subtract A from mu. Now mu minus A gives this. B complement is mu minus B. C complement is mu minus C. D complement is mu minus D. And again A, if you want to find A is what? Mu minus A complement. If you have a complement, then find A means mu minus A complement, give the answer. So these are the formulae you have to remember. Now what we are going to find complement? A complement is mu set minus A. A set, A complement set is this. Okay. What is mu? Mu is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus A. A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is A. Now minus it. So A complement you will get. 1 gone, 2 gone, 3 gone, 4 gone. What you left? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is your complement set A. This is here A complement. B complement again we can write mu set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus B. B is what? B is 2, 4, 6, 8. This number. B complement. Subtract this one. 1 left, saved, 2 gone, 3 saved, 4 gone, 5 saved, 6 gone, 7 saved, 8 gone, 9 and 10 saved. So this is B complement. Like that we can find C complement also. C complement is mu minus C. Subtract that, you will get the value. Again write 1 to 1 dot to 10. Okay. Minus C we have to write here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1 is there, 1 gone. 2 is there, 2 not there, so saved. 3 gone, 4 gone, 4 not gone, 4 saved. Why? Because 4 have mu in mu, but here not. 1 to 10 means all numbers. Here only 3 is there. After that no number, 5 is there. So 5 gone. 6 saved. 7 gone. 8 saved. 9 gone. 10 saved. So this is here C complement. Like that we can find complements also. Now some important bits you have to remember. There is no need to solve it. Just you have to remember that complement of mu is what? 5. First property, you remember that as a property, as a formula. Complement, 5 complement is mu. Second one, complement of null set is the whole universal set, mu. Complement of universal is nothing. And a intersection B whole complement is there. Whole complement. First you have to take intersection, then complement. So this is nothing but separate. If we separately write, so this is nothing but A complement. Union will intersection change to union. So this is there. And this is third, this is fourth. Fourth one, A union B whole complement is there. For that what you have to do? You have to write A complement, union change to intersection while separating each. Whole change to separate complement. Whole complement change to separate complement. So like that we have to write. Third one, A minus B union C is there. So we have to write separately A to B, AC, AB, A minus B as it is, A minus C also, A minus C. But here union is there, so we have to take intersection. Fourth one, A minus B intersection C is there. So what we have to do? You know that again we have to write A minus B, yes, A minus C also. A, B, A, C. What intersection is there? So union we have to take. Okay? Like this we can, what this equal to dash means this is answer. This equal to dash means this is answer. This equal to this answer. This equal to this answer. Like that we will get any bit of this. After that A minus B is not equal to, we know that A union A is always A. And A union phi is always phi. Okay? This also A properties, or you have to remember that A union A phi A. A union A intersection A also A. A intersection phi also, no sorry, this is wrong. A union is there, na? Union means elements are there, you have to write this. A intersection for phi. For union A, for intersection phi. So this is 7, this one is 8. Remember that union with null set is the set itself. Intersection with null set is null set. So these are the special properties you have to know. After that one formula is there. How many number of A union B equal to formula, important formula, number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. So this formula is there for 2 sets. If 3 sets are there, one more formula, A union B union C is there. You have to write number of A, number of B, number of C, plus sign, then minus number of A intersection B minus number of B intersection C minus number of C intersection A plus of all A intersection B intersection C. So single sets are with plus sign, double with intersection are with minus sign, and triple with intersection as plus. These 2 formulas are there. You can find the value and element. Suppose we are taking example, A is a set 1, 2, 3, 4. B is also a set. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many elements are there? And if you take A union B, we are taking from Venn diagram like this. N of A, we have to write N of A is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N of A, B is 6. If you write here in union, you get in intersection. Common part we have to write first. 3 and 4. This is common. 1, 2 is here. So A have only 4 elements. This 1, 2, 3, 4. What B? We have again 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So B have these elements 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements. A have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. Correct. If you take union, in union what you have to write? You have to write all numbers once. So number of A union B means only all elements of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I can write? I can write 6, 7, 8. This is a set of A union B. Okay. Now what you have to do? 1 to 8. How many numbers are these? This is number N of union B. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 elements are there. Okay. In intersection what we have to do? Intersection only we have 3 and 4. 3, 4 are common numbers. So number of A intersection B is what? 2 only. So relation, check that relation. Number of A union B equal to what? Number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Now this is how much? 8. Number of A is what? 4. We already know. Number of B is what? 6. Minus this 2. So add this. This is 10 minus 2. Here 8. This also 8. Yes, true. Sorry. Now both equal. So you will get the questions not like this lengthy. This is a procedural question to find, to check whether this is true or false. So we check, we find that yes, this is true. Now you will get questions if number of A union B is 50, number of A is 20, number of B is